Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question if it's possible to buy a really good working dash cam for around $40 only. And to make this a little bit more difficult, I'm not talking about a normal dash cam, I'm talking about a 1080p dash cam. I'm even talking about a dual dash cam which works to the front and to the back. And not only that, I'm also talking about a package which even includes a suction cup and a 32 gigabytes storage card, which works usually for most people who are commuting. This lasts for about 4 to 5 hours. So you would have a full package, front and back, and storage card and mounting equipment, everything for only around $40. Is that really possible? So this is the deal which I'm talking about. So it was until yesterday or still this morning, I think it was $38. Now it's a little bit higher, but you still get this coupon. Maybe it will be lower again tomorrow. Yeah, it's going up and down a couple of dollars every couple of days, but it doesn't really change the thing here. So the question is only, does it really work, or is it more like a toy which is not useful and starting when it wants and stopping when it wants and missing everything, and you cannot detect anything on the footage? No, it's absolutely not. As we can see here, I've been doing the full review, but you don't have to watch the full review in this video here. But I will definitely show you the link. I will put down the link into the description for the listing on Amazon and also for this full review. And as you can see what you get, so many cables, the backup camera, you get really this storage card, and this is how it looks. Comes even with a nice instruction how this works. Of course, I have to tell you, it is not a wireless backup camera, it's a normal wired backup camera, but still the quality is still decent. And you get everything. You get no, you don't get the jump start. It was just to make this video, but it comes with a really nice suction cup. I mean, a suction cup which is really strong, not just a weak thing. You have this knob here which you can rotate and then secure it really strong. I mean, it gets a really firm hold. And yeah, this is how it looks. I'm going to the footage. I mean, by the way, also the menu works really good. It's not a complicated menu where you have to read instructions for hours. This is something you just turn it on and then it works. Like you just push the buttons a little bit around, and after a couple of minutes you are used how these things really work. It's really easy to set up. And here we have the footage. It's about normal compression, so it's definitely, as already mentioned, it will last about for 4 to 5 hours with this storage card. So only if you go on a road trip, you maybe need to buy a 64 gigabytes card, but for normal commuting it is more than enough with the storage card which you get. And here's the footage. I'll start it playing so you can see that. Of course, the mouse thing is from the screen recording, so I'm recording here the screen recording and then I produce the video. Now I'm screen recording again, but you still can see how nice this is. I make it a little bit larger. So I hope you can see it now a little bit better. This is normal daylight footage on an overcast day. Then we go, I forgot to turn it off. I mean, of course you have to use a 12-volt adapter which is only powered when the car is running. Here is night footage. It's not perfect night, but you can still recognize almost everything except maybe the plates. And this is on a rainy day, and I'll have also some footage from normal bright day, and you can see, you can even read all the signs, everything. So it is absolutely, yeah, I mean, it is real 1080p, not just fake. The quality of the video is really good. Yeah, so here I did the resume, and I'm doing same thing here. As you can see, I just sticked it to this box here, and it had a really firm hold, no fear that it will just drop and break or whatsoever. It has also this parking security, so it will check if somebody bumps into your car and then start recording, and it has actually all the features which you really want, and it will record the front and the back, and you can also use it just in the front, no problem with that. So it definitely works. I mean, it does exactly what we want. It starts recording when we want it, when we turn on, when we start the engine, it stops when we stop the engine, and yeah, it does really absolutely everything what we need, and it looks like really reliable, everything good. The SD card slot is really great, so absolutely no problem with that. So I can highly recommend that, even for $40, which is a real surprise that we can get something like this for $40. And yeah, again, I'll put down the link to the listing of this product on Amazon into the description, and also the link to the full review on YouTube, so you can check it out and order it if you like it. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.